Our protocol involves using the first pediatric TMS robot in the world to map the motor cortex in healthy children and also in children who've had early brain injuries such as perinatal stroke. The protocol integrates MRI imaging with neuronavigation, which allows us to acquire maps with increased accuracy and precision, reduce mapping session times, it helps eliminate human error, and it increases safety and tolerability for young patients.
Motor mapping is not yet used for diagnostic or prognostic purposes. However, it is a novel technique that measures how the brain changes and rewires after either damage to the brain has occurred or after an intervention.
Similar techniques with different targets can be used for language area mapping. Language and motor mapping can be important for pre-surgical planning.
Begin by using the tabs in the neuronavigation software to reconstruct skin and full brain curvilinear. Select New, Skin, and Compute Skin. Ensure the nose and top of the head are included. Then, select New and Full Brain Curvilinear. Enclose the green selection box outside of the brain, but inside of the skull. Select Compute Curvilinear. Adjust the peel depth to 4.0 to 6.0 millimeters. Select Configure Landmarks. Place 4 landmarks at the tip of the nose, nasion, and the notches of both ears of the reconstructed skin. Name the landmarks corresponding to their anatomy. Select the Targets tab to view the curvilinear brain. Select New and Rectangular Grid.